correcting the homework here, page 16.16 on page 164. So firstly, part A, you're asked here, how many atoms would you, or sorry, how many protons would you expect to find in an atom of chlorine? So I have to realise chlorine has a symbol of Cl. So this is my chlorine. And I'm told my atomic number is 17. Remember, my atomic number is my number of protons. So that means I have 17 protons in chlorine. That's my answer to A. B, where in the atoms would the protons be found? Remember, protons and neutrons are always in the nucleus. C, how many neutrons would you expect to find in an atom of zinc? Okay, so if I look at zinc here, I have an atomic number of 30 and a mass number of 68. So my atomic number means that I have 30 protons because that's my number of protons. This is my atomic number, which is my number of protons and neutrons. That equals to 68. So I have 30 protons. So 30 plus what gives me 68? 38. So I have 38 neutrons. And part D then is which element in the table above has atoms that contain the same number of protons and neutrons. So I'm just going to look at the first one here because you'll have to go through these individually, okay? So I'm looking at oxygen, which is O, and it has an atomic number of 8 and a mass number of 16. So my atomic number is my number of protons, okay? And my mass number is my number of protons and neutrons, and I'm told that that's 16. So 8 are protons, which means 8 plus what gives 16? 8 neutrons. So if I look, I have 8 protons and 8 neutrons. And that's actually the answer to the question because you're asked which element in the table has the same number of protons and neutrons. So I have 8 protons and 8 neutrons, so it's actually oxygen. So I don't have to go through any of the rest of them.